How to read Snapchat messages without opening them. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different icons. Go ahead and click on this one icon. With that, you'll land to the chat section. As of right now, there is no such option within Snapchat to read messages without opening the conversation. But applying this trick, you will be able to read Snapchat messages without opening them. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now over here, you will find all the conversations. Now you can head towards the conversation that you want to open. All you have to do is press and hold the avatar of the conversation that you want to view. Just don't release your finger. Just swipe to the right until you can view the full conversation. Once you are done, you can release your finger. By applying the same process, you can read other conversations as well. Just long press on the avatar and swipe to the right and view the conversation. So you can see that I haven't opened the conversation, but I'm able to view all the conversation. Well, this is how you can easily read Snapchat messages without opening them. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.